spend thousands of dollars on my dog box and then let my dog sleep and hang out in my truck. It's hard not to. Alrighty, trial number 2. Hopefully we can end up at the top of the podium again today, but I think it's going to be a little tougher challenge. There's 6 dogs rather than 5, so not too much tougher, but there is that extra person in there. I'm the second brace today. Last time I was the last brace. We're going to get the dogs ready, or my dog ready, and find some birds. Blaze Geedy. All right. Get. Point. Oh. So as I'm approaching Zena, I notice that her head is moving around a little bit. That's typically a pretty good indication that she's not very confident about what she smells, but doesn't mean there couldn't be something there. All right. In here. Hopefully she's on point. She was running pretty heavy right before I lost her. So I'm guessing she's over this little mound on point. Hopefully. I don't know. I have a bad feeling she might be in those trees. I said I have a feeling she might be in those trees on point. I don't see. I saw her come across right here, I thought. Yeah, if you. Okay. Zena, here. Zena. Zena.
Me. Hi, find the birds. Come on, go find the birds. Can't see this dog hardly.
7 minutes.
Okay.
It is tough. I mean, gun dog just came out of the field. Larry had no pines.
Really?
That's tough.
That is rough.
Right now you have 5, 4, 3,
9?
something like
8 or 9?
that.
Still can't find one. Guess I'm gonna walk this tree line back. Come back around. Come out! This way! Zena, here! Good girl. Z! In here! Come on.
So if y'all are wondering why I kept calling my dog off those trees, it's because they're out of bounds. If my dog points a bird in those trees, I get no points, no nothing. It's a waste of time. So this is a lot of times where the trial and the wild hunting come into butt heads, you'd say. You know, typically if I was hunting wild birds, that would be good for my dog to go search that tree line. So I'm about at the same spot that Zena went on point just out of the gate. And if you watch this buggy, you'll see the bird get up. And I would assume that's the bird Zena found right out of the gate that I didn't search for long enough. According to the rules, this bird is now ineligible. So if I did find it, you can see the judge follow that bird down. If I went over there and found that bird, it doesn't count because technically I could kick a bird up, watch it go down, and then go over there and point it.
Princess quality gun dogs in Pittsburgh, Kansas. Well, I bred one of his dogs with my female. I have her mom. Yeah, I have her mom.
I like how small she is.
Yeah.
I look for the small ones.
He does, that Prince guy in Pittsburgh, he has a lot of smaller dogs. There goes one right there. Too late. Now she's looking. Hey, hey, in here. She's looking for it now. Hey, come on. Z, here. In here. And here. And here.
So at this point in the trial, I started to realize that Zena might be running a little bit too strong. Started to try to reel her in, keep her close. Maybe I can slow her down and she can pick one off.
Well, that was awful. That was rough. No fines and a bump.
Got 20 seconds.
I might as well just.
Yeah, that was like my run last 2 weeks ago. I was like, what the hell, you know?
I don't know if
Right
she's.
all the right places. You want right?
Sure.
There we go. A dog locked down, ready to score some points. Unfortunately, trial time's up, and I'm going to have to pull this dog off of a well done find on a bird. It sucks to do this, but I signed up for the game.
Yeah.
So here I go.
You're a little late, woman. Whoa. Come here. Oh, you were just a little bit late. Yeah, we were just a little bit late, Silly Billies.
Like 30 seconds after the.
Oh, well.
I don't know how much it changed anything, but.
Well, I ended up with 0 everything. Last place, no score. Just wasn't our day. We'll be back in a couple weeks, and hopefully it'll be a little bit better turnout.
Oh, here,